एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका यूनिवर्सिटी एकेडमी यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग देखेंगे साइनसॉइडल स्टडी स्टेट एनालिसिस के क्वेश्चंस। ओके, अगर आपको इन टॉपिक्स के हैंड रिटन नोट्स चाहिए, लिंक इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, यू कैन डाउनलोड फ्रॉम देयर। ओके, लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which is in a series RL circuit the current and the voltages are given by, so current expression is I is equal to cos of 314t minus of 20 degree, and voltage expression is 10 cos 314t plus 10 degree. The values of R and L are, okay, so in this question we have to find out the value of resistance and inductance. यहाँ पे सबसे पहले क्या है कि हमें एक करंट एंड वोल्टेज की वैल्यूज गिवन है। ओके, सो लेट अस फर्स्ट ड्रॉ द सर्किट। सो दिस इज सीरीज आर एल सर्किट, सो दिस इज रेसिस्टेंस आर, दिस इज इंडक्टेंस एल, एंड दिस इज कनेक्टेड विद द एसी वोल्टेज। ओके, तो यहाँ पे सर्किट में क्या है कि हमारे पास एक एसी वोल्टेज गिवन है, एंड जो वोल्टेज का जो एक्सप्रेशन है दैट इज वी ऑफ टी, इट इज गिवन बाय 10 इंटू कॉस ऑफ 314t प्लस 10 डिग्री. So this is voltage expression, and the current flowing in this circuit is I of t, जिसका expression हमें given है that is cos of 320 minus of 20 degree. So this is current I of t which is given by cos 314t minus of 20 degree. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या है, हमें टाइम डोमेन में गिवन, तो अगर हम इस वोल्टेज को फेजर डोमेन में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, देन वी नो दैट फेजर में वी राइट द मैग्नीट्यूड विद इट्स एंगल. यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो मैग्नीट्यूड है दैट इज कॉस से जो पहले लिखा होता है दैट इज इंडिकेट द मैक्सिमम वोल्टेज. यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो मैक्सिमम वोल्टेज है दैट इज मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द वोल्टेज इज 10, एंड एंगल दैट इज given in the question is 10 डिग्री of the voltage. सिमिलरली हम करंट को भी फेजर डोमेन में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो एंगल है दैट इज minus of 20 degree and magnitude is 1. Okay, so this is a phasor representation, that is 1 angle minus of 20 and voltage is 10 angle 10 degree. So if we plot this voltage and current phasor, so यहाँ पे this is reference that is 0 degree. Okay, and यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो voltage है that is 10 angle 10 degree. So this is positive. अगर एंगल पॉजिटिव है, so positive angle means you have to represent that angle in anti-clockwise. Okay, so this will be voltage expression. Okay, this is V phasor, this is leading by 10 degree. Okay, and magnitude is also 10. Now let us plot the current phasor which is 1 angle minus 120. So यहाँ पे minus 120 का means you have to represent that angle in clockwise. So 0 से अगर आप clockwise में जाएंगे, so this will be current phasor, that is I phasor, and this is minus sign indicate it is lagging, and यहाँ पे positive है, it means this is leading. Okay, so this is 20 degree. सो यहाँ से हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि जो करंट फेजर है इट इज़ लैगिंग द वोल्टेज फेजर बाय एंगल 30 डिग्री. सो अगर करंट वोल्टेज से लैग करता है देन दैट सर्किट इज इंडक्टिव सर्किट. सो यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है, आरएल सर्किट है. सो यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो करंट एंड वोल्टेज के बीच का जो एंगल है दैट इज गिवन बाय थीटा डिग्री. ओके, सो थीटा एंगल इज गिवन, सो थीटा वैल्यू इन दिस क्वेश्चन इज 30 डिग्री बिकॉज वोल्टेज एंड करंट के बीच का जो एंगल है दैट इज 30 degree, and current is lagging the voltage phasor by 30 degree. So we know that the tan theta it is given by x of L by R. So this is the formula in case of series RL circuit. Okay, now we know the value of theta, so this will be equal to tan 30 degree, it will be equal to x of L by R. So from here we know that tan 30 it will be equal to 1 by root 3. So this is equal to x of L by R. So from here we are getting the value of resistance as root 3 into x of L. Okay, so suppose this is equation 1. नाउ हमें एक और इक्वेशन चाहिए. ओके, सो वो इक्वेशन हमें मिलेगी यूजिंग द इम्पिडेंस रिलेशन. वी नो दैट द इम्पिडेंस इट इज़ गिवन बाय वी एम बाय आई एम, दैट इज मैक्सिमम वोल्टेज बाय मैक्सिमम करंट. सो मैक्सिमम वोल्टेज इज, सो दिस इज वी एम. ओके, सो दिस इज वी एम एंड दिस इज 1 into cos. So this is Im value is 1 and Vm value is 10. Okay, so this impedance it will become 10 by 1. So Z value we are getting as 10 ohm. Also we know that for the series RL circuit impedance का जो formula है that is given by R plus J into XL. So if we take the magnitude that is mod of Z, we are getting as R square plus XL square. Okay, so impedance का जो magnitude है that is 10 we have calculated, squaring on both the sides, so it will be equal to 10 square plus r square plus xl square. So this will be equal to 100 is equal to r square plus xl square. So this is equation number 2. Now in the equation 1 we know that जो resistance की जो value है that is root 3 into x of l. So let us substitute. So if we substitute r is equal to root 3 into xl in equation 2, we are getting, so this will be equal to 100 r square, so this will be equal to root 3 into, so this is root 3 into x of l whole square plus xl square. So this will be equal to 100, it is equal to 3 xl square plus xl square. So 100, it will be equal to 4 into xl square. So from here we are getting the xl square as 100 by 4 which is 25. So यहाँ से हमें inductive reactance that is x of l की value मिल गई which is 5 ohm. Okay, so अब हमें x of l मिल गया which is 5 ohm. We can easily find the value of resistance. Okay, so we know that r is given by root 3 into, so as r is equal to root 3 into x of l, the resistance value it will be equal to root 3 into 5. So root 3 value is 1.732, so we are getting 8.66 ohm. Okay, so this is the value of resistance, that is 8.66, and we have to calculate the value of l. Okay, we have find out x of l. So x of l हमें मिल गया, we know that it is equal to omega into l and it will be equal to 5. Now let us see what is omega in this question. So यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो omega है which is angular frequency, so if we compare it with cos omega t, so यहाँ पे omega जो है that is 314 radian per second. So omega given in the question is 314 radian per second. So omega is 314 into l value we have to find out and it will be equal to 5. Okay, so from here we are getting the value of inductance as 5 by 314 which will be equal to 15.92 millihenry. Okay, so this is the value of r and this is l, that is 8.66 and 15.92, that is option 15.9 is option C. Okay, so now let us see the next question. So question is, in the given circuit below, the voltage Vc of t is, so Vc of t is the voltage across this 0.1 farad capacitor. So सबसे पहले क्या है कि हम capacitive reactance that is x of c की value find out करेंगे. Okay, so this is x of c is capacitive reactance which is given by 1 by c omega. So यहाँ पे capacitance की value क्या है 0.1 farad and what is omega. So if we compare this voltage that is v of t, it is given by Vm cos ओमेगा टी. सो ये जनरल फॉर्म होता है वोल्टेज का. ओके, सो यहाँ पे ओमेगा जो है वी आर गेटिंग 2 रेडियन पर सेकेंड. ओके, सो कंपैरिजन के बाद वी आर गेटिंग ओमेगा एज 2 radian per second. So let us substitute here. So this will be equal to 1 by 0.1 into 2 which is equal to 1 by 0.2. So it will be equal to 5 ohm. Okay, so x of c हमें मिल गया. Now let us draw the circuit. So here we are having a AC voltage source and this is resistance 5 and this capacitor it will be represented by minus of j into xc. So this is minus j, x of c value is 5 ohm, so this is minus of j 5, this is 5 ohm and this is cos of 2t. Okay, so now we have to find out the voltage across this capacitor. So this is plus minus Vc of t. So we can easily find this voltage. We can apply the voltage division rule in this circuit. So by the voltage division rule, सो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है वी सी ऑफ टी. सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू टोटल वोल्टेज, दैट इज़ यहाँ पे इनपुट वोल्टेज जो है दैट इज़ कॉस ऑफ 2t एंड वी सी ऑफ टी इज़ अ वोल्टेज अक्रॉस दिस माइनस j5 कैपेसिटर. सो दिस इज माइनस ऑफ j5 डिवाइडेड बाय सम ऑफ बोथ द इम्पेडेंसेस. सो दिस 5 ohm minus of j5 they are connected in series. So now we can simplify. So this is equal to cos of 2t. So I've already told you that minus of j, it is equal to 1 angle minus of 90 degree. So this minus j5, it can be written as 5 angle minus of 90 degree. Okay, now let us convert this 5 minus j5 जो रेक्टेंगुलर फॉर्म में है, इसको हम क्या है पोलर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. So in the polar form we have to write r angle theta, that is r is magnitude and theta is angle. So this r is given by square root of real part, that is 5 square, plus imaginary part square, that is minus 5 square. So again it will be equal to 5 square. So its magnitude, it will become 5 root 2, and this theta angle, it is given by tan inverse of imaginary, that is minus of 5 by real part is 5. So tan inverse of minus 1, so it can be written as minus of tan inverse 1, that is minus of 45 degree. So this will be equal to, so 5 minus j5 को polar form में we can write as 5 root 2 is a magnitude and theta value is minus of 45 degree. So we can simplify. So यहाँ पे क्या है, जो cos of 2t है उसका magnitude क्या है 1 है. So this will be equal to, so 1 into 5 is 5 into cos of 2t minus of 90 degree divided by 5 root 2 into cos of angle minus, this is not cos, okay, so 5 root 2 angle minus of 45 degree. So this 5 and 5, it will get cancel out. So we are getting the VC of t, it will be equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, so this is cos of 2t minus of 90 degree. So this minus 45, when it will go in the numerator, it will become plus 45 degree. So from here we are getting VC of t expression as 1 by root 2 into cos of 2t minus 45 degree. So this is the answer for this question. So 1 by root 2 cos 2t minus 45 degree is option A. So now let us see the next question. In the given circuit below, the voltage VC of t is, so VC of t is the voltage across this 50 millifarad capacitor. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है, एक series RLC circuit है which is connected with the AC voltage source. So सबसे पहले क्या है कि हम X of L, that is inductive reactance की value find out करेंगे which is equal to omega into L. So what is omega? That is angular frequency. So अगर हम यहाँ पे voltage के expression को compare करते हैं with Vm cos omega t, then we are getting the value of omega as, so omega we are getting as 5 radian per second, and Vm, that is maximum voltage, is 5 volt. So यहाँ पे omega जो है is 5 radian per second and L value is 3 Henry. So X of L we are getting 15 ohm. Similarly we will calculate the capacitive reactance X of C, which is given by 1 by C omega. So C value is 50 millifarad, that is 50 into 10 to the power minus of 3 into omega is 5. So it will be equal to 1 by 250 into, it will be equal to 1000. So this will be equal to 4 ohm. Okay, so X of C value is 4 ohm and XL value is 15 ohm. So let us draw the circuit. So this is AC voltage source, this is inductive reactance, that is J into XL. So XL value is 15 ohm. This is capacitance, which is represented by minus of J into X of C is 4 ohm, and this is 9 ohm resistance. So this is 9 ohm, and voltage source value is 8 into cos of 5t. So we have to find out the voltage across this capacitor, that is VC of t. So again हम voltage division rule use कर सकते हैं. So by voltage division rule, VC of t, it is given by, so total voltage is 8 into cos of 5t. So VC of t is the voltage across this minus of J4 divided by sum of all the impedances. So it will be equal to 9 plus J15 minus of J4. So this will be equal to 8 into cos of 5t. So this minus of j4, it can be written as 4 angle minus of 90 degree divided by, so this will be equal to 9 plus j, it will be equal to 15 minus 4 is 11, so this is 9 plus j 11. So this vc of t, it will be equal to, सो मैग्नीट्यूड को क्या है, हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, एंगल्स को वी विल ऐड, सो 8 इंटू 4 इज 32 इंटू कॉस ऑफ 5t माइनस ऑफ 90 डिग्री, एंड लेट अस कन्वर्ट दिस 9 प्लस जे 11 जो कि रेक्टेंगुलर फॉर्म में है, इसको हम पोलर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. ओके, सो इसका मैग्नीट्यूड जो होगा दैट विल बी इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9 स्क्वायर इज 81 प्लस 121, सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 202 which is equal to 14.21, and angle is tan inverse of 11 by 9 which is equal to 50.71. Okay, so now let us divide this 32 divided by 14.21, so this will be equal to 2.25 and cos of 5t minus of 90 degree, and this 50.71, it will go in the numerator, it will become minus of 50.71. so let us simplify, then we are getting the value of vc of t as 2.25 into cos of 5t, this is minus 140.71 degree. So this is the answer. Okay, so 2.25 cos of 5t minus 140.71, so this is option 2.25, cos is option D, minus. Okay, so D is correct. Now let us see the next question. So question is, in a two element series circuit the applied voltage and the resulting current are. So यहाँ पे हमें voltage and current का expression given है. So voltage expression is 60 plus 66 into sine of 10 की power 3 into t, and current expression is 2.3 into sine of 10 to the power 3 t plus 68.3 degree. The nature of the elements would be, so we have to find out कि जो ये element है that is circuit, it consists of which element, that is RC है, LC है, RL या RR circuit है. Okay, so now as voltage expression is given, so एंड करंट भी गिवन है, तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो करंट का जो फेज एंगल है दैट इज प्लस 68.3 डिग्री. सो दिस प्लस साइन इट इज इंडिकेटिंग दैट जो करंट है इट इज लीडिंग द वोल्टेज बाय 68.3 डिग्री. सो इट मीन्स करंट इज लीडिंग वोल्टेज बाय 68.3 डिग्री, बिकॉज फेज के एक्सप्रेशन में कोई भी फेज एंगल या फेज डिफरेंस नहीं है, दैट इज 0 डिग्री. बट यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो करंट है उसमें क्या है 68.3 डिग्री है. सो करंट इज लीडिंग द वोल्टेज बाय 90 डिग्री. सो अगर ये वोल्टेज फेजर है देन द करंट फेजर इट विल बी लीडिंग द वोल्टेज बाय 90 डिग्री. एंड जब भी करंट लीड करता है वोल्टेज से देन वी नो दैट द सर्किट इज कैपेसिटिव नेचर. इट मीन्स सर्किट में डेफिनेटली कैपेसिटर तो प्रेजेंट है. ओके, इट मीन्स द सर्किट विल बी ऑफ कैपेसिटिव नेचर. सो अगर यहाँ पे वोल्टेज एंड करंट के बीच का जो एंगल है दैट इज वी कॉल्ड एज थीटा. सो अगर यहाँ पे थीटा 90 डिग्री होता देन द सर्किट मस्ट कंसिस्ट ऑफ प्योर कैपेसिटर. बट यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो थीटा गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन है दैट इज 68.3 डिग्री. सो दिस इंडिकेट दैट इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ आर एंड सी एलिमेंट. सो इट मीन्स ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. ओके, एंड अगर करंट लैग करता वोल्टेज से देन द सर्किट कंसिस्ट ऑफ इंडक्टर. Now next question is, in the circuit shown below the power factor is, so we have to calculate the power factor. So we know that power factor it is given by cos of theta. So it means we have to calculate the theta. So theta is the angle present in the impedance expression, because जो impedance है we can write as mod of z angle theta. So it means we have to find out the impedance of this circuit. So if we calculate the impedance then we are getting, so impedance it will be equal to this 4 ohm plus minus of j2. So this minus of j2 this is connected in parallel. So this minus of j2 and this j5 they are connected in series, so it will be equal to j of 3. So we can simplify, it will be equal to minus of j2 that is z1 into z2 divided by sum of both, that is minus of j2 plus j3, so we can simplify, it will be equal to 4 plus, so j square value, so we know that j square is minus of 1, so this will be equal to, already minus sign is there, so minus into minus it will be equal to plus 6 by, so this will be equal to j1, so this can be written as, सो इम्पिडेंस को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 4 माइनस, बिकॉज व्हेन द j it will go in the numerator, it will become minus of j into 6. Now this impedance, this is matching with the expression that is r minus of j into xc. So अगर हम compare करें, then we are getting the value of resistance as 6 ohm and capacitive reactance we are getting 6 ohm. So यहाँ पे क्या है, minus sign है, this indicate the circuit is capacitive nature. Now we have to calculate the theta angle. Okay, so because we want power factor, so theta is given by 10 inverse of x of c by r. Okay, so this is 10 inverse of x of c value is 6 and resistance, so resistance value is 4 ohm. Okay, so this r value is 4 and xc value is 6, so this r value is 4 ohm, so that is 6 by 4, so it will be equal to 10 inverse of, so 10 inverse of, we can consider minus sign. Okay, because यहाँ पे क्या है कि minus 6 है, that is minus of xc by r, so this will be equal to minus of 3 by 2, that is minus of 1.5, so theta angle we are getting minus of 56.30 degree. So we know that जब भी सर्किट में क्या है, कैपेसिटर प्रेजेंट होता है, then the power factor will be leading nature. So यहाँ पे क्या है कि माइनस साइन है, this indicate the power factor will be of leading nature. Okay, because of inductor, if L is present then the power factor will be lagging, and if C is present in the circuit then the power factor will be leading in nature. तो यहाँ पे हमारे सर्किट में क्या है, R and C है, then the power factor will be leading, and theta value we have calculated as minus of 56.30 degree. So now we want power factor, so it is given by cos of theta, so let us substitute, theta value is minus 56.30 degree, so we know that cos of minus theta is cos theta, so it will be equal to cos 56.30 degree, so which is equal to 0.555. Now it is leading because capacitor is present in the circuit, so 0.555 leading is option D. Okay, so D correct है. Now let us see the next question. The input power factor of the circuit shown below is, so again we have to find out the impedance expression in order to calculate the power factor. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो impedance है that will be given by, this is minus of j4 plus j2, so this j2 it is connected in parallel with, so 2 minus of j2 they are connected in series, so this is the expression of the impedance. Now let us simplify, so this will be equal to minus of j into 4, so यहाँ पे क्या है कि this j2 and this 2 minus of j2 they are connected in parallel, so this will be equal to z1 into z2 divided by sum of both the impedances, that is j2 plus 2 minus of j2, so this will get cancelled out, so we are getting impedance z, it will be equal to minus of j4 and this will be equal to, so let us multiply, so this will be equal to j4. Okay, and j square is minus 1, so minus minus will become plus 4 by 2, so this impedance it will be equal to minus of j4, let us divide by 2, so this will be equal to j2 plus 2, so यहाँ पे impedance जो है we are getting as 2 minus of j2 ohm. So now अगर अगेन हम इसे कंपेयर करें विद r माइनस ऑफ jx, so यहाँ पे क्या है, नेगेटिव साइन है, इट मीन्स द सर्किट इज कैपेसिटिव नेचर एंड पावर फैक्टर विल बी अगेन लीडिंग नेचर, तो यहाँ पे क्लियरली वी कैन सी दैट ऑप्शन ए एंड ऑप्शन बी आर रॉन्ग, बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमें लैगिंग पावर फैक्टर गिवन है. ओके, सो अगर यहाँ पे प्लस साइन होता देन लैगिंग पावर फैक्टर होता, बट यहाँ पे माइनस साइन वी आर गेटिंग, सो इट मीन्स द पावर फैक्टर इज लीडिंग नेचर. So R की value is 2 ohm and x of c is also 2. Now let us calculate the theta angle. So Z value given in the question, sorry, we have obtained as Z as 2 minus of j2 ohm. So theta it will be given by 10 inverse of minus of xc, that is minus of 2 by 2. So it will be equal to 10 inverse of minus 1. it will be equal to minus of tan inverse 1. So theta value we are getting as minus of 45 degree. Okay, so this is minus 45 degree. We have to calculate power factor. So power factor is given by cos of theta, and this will be equal to cos of minus 45 degree. So cos minus theta is cos theta, so this is equal to cos of 45 degree, and cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and 1 by root 2 is 0.707. सो यहाँ पे क्या है, नेगेटिव साइन था, इट मीन्स वी आर गेटिंग द लीडिंग पावर फैक्टर. सो दिस इज लीडिंग पावर फैक्टर. So this is matching with the option 0.707 is option D. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही. वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करें. एंड नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग देखेंगे कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एवरेज वैल्यू एंड आरएमएस वैल्यू. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.